Namaste, my name is Santosh Kumar Shah, and today in this video I would like to explain about the computer technology and the contemporary technology that is being used in our society and increasingly and rapidly it has making our society digitalized. Today I am going to express you my thought about the computer different skills and technology that is being used in our dynamic world in this time currently. So first of all, as we know that computer has become the integral part of our society. There is no profession, there is no job that is being done without the use of information and communication technology and computers. So the knowledge of computer and information technology is very important for us to have in this society. If we are in the digital society, then we should have the basic knowledge of what is computer, how does different devices perform their task, and after all we should know about the advanced technology, the different technology uh, that is used in our society, such as in generally when we talk about our home appliances such as the normal heater or cookers or normally the rice cookers or different home appliances, all those things are being controlled by the sensor and computer programs. As accordingly, these devices are controlled by the robots or machines. We can communicate through the internet and control these devices from within home as well as from outside the home. We can control same thing that is in our home. Let us assume that when our guests come to our home and we are in the office right now, then how we should get them, the guest, into our house. So this device today can communicate our computer and home, and through login into our computer these devices can connect to the home sensor and open that door and let the guest to sit inside and command the robots to make cook the food and serve them. So we are in this era. We are today using computer and mobile, and after few days we should use the robots and different more technology to make our work easier. In upcoming days, let us think, when we communicate with the other peoples, that is other parts of the world. In the traditional day we were using different envelope systems to write the letters and let them to the post office, and the post office should dispatch to that persons, and it will be lengthy process. So in nowadays it has made our work easier through the use of internet and communication technology. Using this technology like the IoT, Internet of Things, that have made our life very easier. Let us assume that we have one robot and I have forgot to bring some soap or let it be biscuits from the shop, and I have instructed my robots that go and bring biscuits or soap for me. The robots go to the shop and brings that biscuits in that shop, and when the robots go to that shop, it has been seen that the in the shop uh, another robot is available there. No person is available there, only the robots and machines are available, and that robot is serving the goods to my robots, and after paying the money my robots came back to my home, and after that in the shopkeeper house the robots in the evening time pay how much I have sold to you, what is the profit, what is the loss. That all information is being shared by the robot to the shopkeepers. This is the IoT. IoT means the machines has communicate with that machines. My machine has communicate with that machine. In our home, similarly, we can say that my one robot controlling the other robots to communicate the task, to perform the task, then that is known as the IoT. IoT means the machine is communicating with the other machine to perform their task. The other things will be artificial intelligence. Let us assume that when I am going through the way and someone met to me and I have talked hi, hello, and many more things, and after that, finally, after talking few minutes, I know that this is not man, this is artificial intelligence machine. And the appearance of that machines, it seems to be that it is like a human being. Their intelligence, their thinking powers, their decision making powers, they answered to me whatever I have questioned to them. It seems that they have the human like intelligence, but actually they are not natural. They are man-made intelligence which is pre-programmed by some programmers and make them easier to communicate with the other peoples. That is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means the not the natural intelligence, but a human like intelligence, man-made intelligence, the intelligence that is made by the human. The other things is now the cloud computing. Cloud computing means if we have to perform our task for the organization, let us assume that that requires most of the infrastructures and the software, but we should not have to worry about this infrastructure because the internet is providing us the infrastructure in demand. We should not have to buy all those things physically. Only we should have to log in through our device and all those things will be available for us by paying some money. Then that is the cloud computing. In cloud we can store our data. We should not have to worry about our personal hardware or physical hardware to store the data. The other things may be the virtual reality. The virtual reality means when we communicate with the device, it is seems that the virtual reality in a sense that the things that is happening, we feel that it is actually happening really, but it is not actually happening. It is only the illusion for us, that make us illusion. So when we can see in the films or any entertainment movies or games, we feel that this is really happening, but that things is not really happening. That is made by the computer effect, and we feel that these are happening really, like simulation and modeling. Many more things is happening. Let us assume that the pilot is driving their aeroplanes, and when he set into the aeroplane, he feel that he is actually driving the aeroplane, but after performing their task, when completed their work and came back from that aeroplane, so he feel that he was in a simulated room. That make him feel that he was really in a room, but that it was not reality, it was only the illusion for him. It is done because when the driver or when the pilot has given the authority to fly the plane, at first time he have no idea about those things, and in the training period they are given the training in that simulating box. After and in the another field, when the doctor is given the task to surgery or any other things, they are given by the virtual reality. This feels that they are really in the operation theaters and performing their task, but it is one of the illusion that make him assume that he is seeing, watching actually happening, but it is not actually happening. It is just the illusion for him. The another things, the different technology will be the smart technology, smart city. Let us assume that like a smartwatch. A smartwatch contains the sensors, and that sensor detects that what is our blood pressure, what is our body, different types of abnormal activities that is being shown are sensed by our digital watch. Let's assume that in our society there is a health post and ambulance, and when we get abnormal to our body, abnormal condition in our body, the signal is directly transported, the report is directly transported from our digital watch to the health post, and at the same time the ambulance is warned to come and get them to put them from that place to hospital or health post to watch them, to diagnosis them, and before getting to the hospital their report is ready and doctor have already read all those reports, and after that when he came to, and when we arrive to the hospitals, then their diagnosis is started. But in the traditional period, what had happened that at first the ambulance is called, and ambulance said that we are coming in few minutes, please take patients, and after that the ambulance came and let them to go through the hospitals, and after he go to the hospitals, then the doctor diagnoses and gives different treatments, and observe that he have such type of problem, and due to the lack of time, due to such delay in time, uh, they have faced to the abnormal death. Now in this society, it has overcome and controlled due to the use of the smart city or assumption of the smart city. There are other different sectors which has made our work easier, that is e-commerce. Let's assume that buying and selling is done through the internet has become easier through the use of computer and information technology. Previous day we should have to go through the shopping malls or shop to buy one cloth, but now whatever you want to buy, it would be in your home. You can buy through your home. The shop is in your home, not we should have to go to the shop to buy anything. Another things, like when we go to the hotels, the we can purchase the item in from our home as well, and they should deliver to our homes. Another thing, let us think that when we go to the hotel, and in that hotels, when we sit there, we should not have to worry to get by taking our wallet or mobiles. There is already available display in each table, and in each tables we should log in our informations and order them through our login ID or password, and the order is paid, and in our same tables the order is given, the food or whatever you have orders, that foods is came to your tables. This is the reality today. In the previous days we should have to go physically to the bank to deposit or withdraw our money, but nowadays we should have to go without worrying about the wallet or ATM card. We simply go to the ATM room, and in that room we simply have to scan our face, and after scanning they should log into our informations, and we should withdraw our money through the use of the ATM. We have just assumed that if we will be in the advanced technology in further day, computers should be in such advancement, and due to this reason we should have to know each and every part of the computer knowledge very easily. So we should have to interact with such type of computer related issues. Different other things that is provided with the use of the internet and communication technology is e-government services. The different government services that was given physically by going to the government office, now uh, we can get, or government can serve those services to our um, to our own computers. By we should be serving by the government by sitting in our home. Do not worry to go to the physically to the government offices. So it has make our work easier nowadays. So computer is becoming popular and integral part day by day. And due to the evolvement of the computers, it has make our life easier and faster as well. And different other things are robotics. The robotics means the programming in such a way that it can perform our task in different situations as well. And the others different things that have made our work easier and faster is the different programming devices. So computer study is very important for us. We should have to get basic knowledge about the computer and information technology for every person living in the society, because without the knowledge of the computer and information technology, people should be living like a living in the traditional age. And this age is the use of information and technology, and everybody is using information and technology. So these are the contemporary issue that is must to know in our society nowadays. From another day I will be talking about the from other videos the different knowledge about the, what is computer, what are the different types of computer, their advantage, their disadvantage, and other many more informations I shall be giving to you. So for today I would like to stop my video now. Thank you for watching.